house business. So, but the whole screenshots and everything with the
We
power
don't
struggle.
Photoshop our screenshots, so we can do those receipts as well. So hey y'all,
Hey y'all,
I'm Fee.
I'm Shannon.
And real quick, so we got this 2.0 YouTube channel with no content. So this is our first video.
Right. Thank you guys for subscribing.
Thank you. Please subscribe,
share,
and
view,
like. And so pretty much 2.0 is a social media group. We're private, so you really can't find us unless you know someone who's in there. But the purpose of our YouTube channel is to kind of shed some light on the reality of what goes on behind the scenes and some of the events with social media groups.
Right. And we also wanted to take our group to another level. The YouTube channel is just another I guess channel for us to interact with you guys on a different level.
Yeah, on a different social platform,
Right.
pretty much. So I know it's been a lot of questions and concerns about why we really unplugged from the Grown and the Restless, but pretty much we wasn't seeing eye to eye, and we hadn't for a minute. It
Right.
just was seamless to the people on the outside, so we just pretty much prepared to
But we
start
did
a new
want to
group.
branch out and do a different group that was going to be ran a different way. There is no founder. We all the admins are on the same wavelength, on the same level.
We all just pretty much vote. If the rest of them say go right and I say go left, guess what? I got to mope on to the right.
And she gonna mope.
Yeah. So
that's kind of how 2.0 got started. I know there were a lot of questions. There were a lot of rumors. So we kind of wanted to backlash. Wanted to kind of dispel some of those. And if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comments. And when we go when we go live, we will answer those questions for you guys on the chat.
Yeah.
So
some of the things we wanted to address that we've heard people saying about the power struggle. There wasn't a power struggle with most of us.
Only the founder had.
We thought everything was by vote, but after so long, that went away, and of course there was going to be some issues on the team. And what you guys don't know is we had a lot of knockout dragouts behind the scenes. I mean, dragouts.
But we were really good about keeping them under wraps because it was kind of like it was house business. So, but the whole screenshots and everything with the power
we don't
struggle.
Photoshop our screenshots, so we can do those receipts as well. So anyway. So it wasn't a real power struggle. We just decided to go our separate ways, and that person was supposed to be actually on break or gone, but he popped up mighty quick to expel us.
And we got expelled quickly.
So anyway, that's over with. We're here now. So
and there were other influences from outside that I guess helped our transition to the other group pretty expedient.
Yeah.
Expedient. quickly.
But anyway, we made it. That group was created pretty much the same way. So a lot of the rumors is it's happened in multiple groups with certain people. So that group was created the same way, and actually the founder wasn't the main person to say they wanted to create the group. Actually, he was just kind of used as a scapegoat because
Okay, so moment of truth. The Grown and Restless, the original Grown and Restless, was created by Felicia and Rose. Felicia wanted to protect someone's feelings, another founder. Y'all can figure that out. So she decided to take a back seat as an admin and not a founding member of the group, which she really was. And so the founder's title was given to the current founder of that group.
yeah.
So we wanted to be clear on that also.
And that group, that the person who I'm protecting, that was created from other group members as well, from two other groups that we were in. Well, one other group that she was in, and a group that I was in. So it's all the same. I don't even know why it's like,
it's the circle of life.
yeah,
the
such a
life
big issue. Most of these groups have the same people in it. It's the same things are being done across the board. People get upset about stuff that go on. We can't police it all, and but in this group, we're really not gonna police any of it. You guys are grown.
Right.
You do what you want to do. I really don't care.
And the purpose of the group is to have fun,
Yeah.
and in
That's the main purpose.
an adult atmosphere
I don't know
without
why
being judged.
why we make it so much bigger than just having fun and socializing.
And it doesn't have to be competitive.
Yeah, at all. So pretty much that's it. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to kind of shed some insight on some of the things that really go on. It's a lot of reality, social media.
It could be a reality show. Right?
It really could, because it's a lot. But we hope to shed light on most of the positive reality,
Right.
and not so much of the negative reality. We know it's going to be there, but hopefully it's pretty positive. So on the channel, we'll do live chats, and
we want to be able to take our group to a different level. And we also want to be able to interact with you guys on in different channels, not just on on the social media platform
that we're currently
on. So I think it'll be a great tool to use to interact with everyone. We'll have a moderator. Shout out to Tiffany Pruitt, who is our moderator.
Thank you, Tiffany, for stepping up to that.
And shout out to our other admins who cannot be here today.
Yeah.
Shout out to the Radiotherapy Network.
Thank you.
Thank you.
His name is Terrence.
Terrence.
and shout out to Mr. Flavius behind the scenes for recording us today, kind of at the last minute. But thank you. And if you have any questions that you want us to address on the next chat, again, you can drop them in the comments, and or you can email us at tgrunplug 2.0@gmail.com. You can't find us on Facebook, but we can find you.
That was good.